You are पापा परी।
अब दिल की नहीं दिमाग की सुनेंगे कि अब दिल की नहीं दिमाग की सुनेंगे न कोई एक्स न कोई टैक्स बिकॉज मनी इज द बेस्ट।
We can also purchase Yamraj, okay? Yamraj bull. Yes.
I speak my personal, not your personal. Okay? Why are you speaking my personal?
भाई eat only दाल चावल, okay?
Try to purchase me.
Yes, I see.
I
Repeat.
don't talk to you. Okay? Any other?
Yes,
I have more money. I new clothes. Okay? Very expensive. Okay? You don't purchase. Present time. I have no money, but my money at home. Okay? I purchase you. Okay? Don't touch you.
Hello everyone, how are you all today? I hope you are doing well, and today we are again here because today we have a very crucial topic. We have a debate competitions and topic name is time and money, and we the people here we are discussing here which is important, money yeah time. Okay, so guys, here is a lot of students they will be supporting time. Here is a lot of students they will be supporting money. So guys, I don't want to speak because they will be express their points. So guys, I would like to first initiator Neha, who will speak here. Okay.
Hello everyone, my name is Neha. My name is Neha Raut. I am reading class 8. Today I am going to talk about time. I think time is very important and there are a lot example about time. Like Mahatma Gandhi used for the freedom of India, and APJ Abdul Kalam who spent a lot of time of India and scientist corruption for the India. And you have money, so you earn money. You have time, so you start business, anything. But you don't have time, so you can't do everything. Thank you.
And she has spoken very well. If anyone who wants to ask question to Neha, who can ask? Okay, if anybody. Yes, please raise hand if anybody asks question. Who wants? Okay.
I wanna ask question.
Yes, you should.
Why money is very important? Time is very important.
Because you have time, so you do anything, and you have time, so
You have
money.
no money. You don't purchase. You can purchase fruit and vegetable. You don't eat. You dead. Okay.
If you don't have time, so how to earn money?
Suppose that you accident. You go hospital. You
don't have time, so you just die.
First money is very important. You go hospital. Doctor said money is very short. Please submit your fees. Okay.
But time is very important because you don't have time, so you just die.
You don't have time, doctor. You don't touch you. Okay. You don't have money, doctor. You touch
time,
you.
So you die. So you don't.
You don't have money. You die. Okay. Doctor don't touch you.
Yes, don't touch me. But I have no time, so I die.
Firstly, money is very important.
No.
Without
You have time, so you earn money. And
without
you
money,
have
don't
time,
purchase pen and don't purchase copy. You how to write copy.
You don't have time, so you don't go.
I purchase time. I purchase you. Okay. Present time. I have no money, but my money at home. Okay. Because very thief. Okay.
Every person don't.
There is very thief. Okay.
Okay.
My money is still because I have no money.
How to purchase?
I have more money. I new clothes. Okay. Very expensive. Okay.
You don't purchase. Okay.
You don't expensive. ये 15,000 and 13,000. Okay.
But you don't have time. How to purchase?
I have a money. I purchase. Okay.
If you don't have time, how to purchase?
I purchase time. I purchase you. I purchase your team member. Okay. Because present time I have no money, but my money at home. Okay. Because they are very cheap.
Everyone don't purchase time. Everyone don't purchase.
Because I purchase time. I purchase time. I have more money. I purchase time. I purchase love. I purchase feeling. I purchase anything. Okay.
How to purchase?
I have a money. I have a money. There people I respect me. Okay. I have no money. I have no money. People abusing me. Okay.
Yes, you don't have time, so
You have more knowledge.
Okay?
You have no more knowledge, but you don't money. Other people you don't respect you. Okay.
Yeah. If you don't have time, you
don't spend your family member, okay?
No,
You don't have time for
family
your
member,
don't-
your childhood, your father or mother support you, but you big, your father, why are you earn money?
Yes, you should earn
You should earn money. You don't earn money. Your father, your mother, you don't support you. Okay? Your family member, you don't support you. But because I have money, my family member, I support me. Okay?
I have time, I earn money. Okay, I have time, I can start business. If you don't have time, so you can't purchase.
I need time. I don't need time because I need money.
Yes.
Yes, you don't.
Because money is more important and very important. Okay, without money you don't live nothing. Okay, without money live nothing. Okay.
Yes. Firstly, time is very important because without time you can't go anywhere. You can't spend time with family. Okay.
Because you don't have money, your father mother not respect you. You have a money, you don't have money, you don't go anywhere, anything, you survive. Okay.
Yes.
I have a money, I give money, I go anything, anywhere, I survive. Okay.
If you don't have time, so how to go?
I have a money, I go.
Without time you don't go, you can't.
Because firstly money is very important. Secondly, and time is very important.
No, firstly time is very important.
No, money is very important. I think you know. I don't know. Okay, you don't know.
If you don't care
Yes.
about health.
Hello sister, I want to ask question.
Yes.
In this opinion you said about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam.
Yes.
You said he have spent a lot of time.
Yes.
Then he make a missile. But they have no money. How to make the missile?
If APJ Abdul Kalam, if you don't have time, so how to make?
How to make? When he make a missile, everyone need a money.
Yes, firstly need time.
And if I talk about Albert Einstein and Albert Edison, he make a bulb. He fill of 1100 field. But one day he will success because money. Money.
Because of time. Without the time, you can't.
He spend of a lot of money. He repair again. He spend
time.
money. He again of money. Without money cannot repair this
Without time,
money.
without time, they don't make the bluff.
But we have because without money cannot make this bulb, make the missile. And if you talk about the Mahatma Gandhi, without money Mahatma Gandhi cannot go in South Africa.
Mahatma Gandhi has no time, so how to go South Africa?
They have no money, how to go? And if I talk about Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, he went to
And now we have again Kumkum Rawat. Yes. Please.
Hello everyone, I am Kumkum Rawat and I am going to talk about money. Today's debate, money vs time, and my opinion is both important. But firstly, money important. You have a money, so you purchase anything, and you have a money, so you survive easily, and you go anywhere. And I talk about money. The whole world is crazy about him. Why do they run after money? Because that's why they know money is more important in our life. Thank you for listening me.
Who wants to ask question? Who can ask? Raise hand. Yes. Nobody. Nobody wanna ask question. Okay. Nandani.
Hello sister. Hello. How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I am also fine. I wanna ask you a question.
Yes, you are.
How do money is important? Money is not everything.
Yes.
How can you say that money is not everything? You without money you don't purchase one pen.
But you
can't-
don't have a time, so you don't go to shop.
Yes.
And
You cannot go.
You cannot go to school. You can't go to shop.
but you have no money. How to
Take
what-
admission.
how to take admission?
I take admission
how
in
to
government
take
school. I
knowledge?
don't have money, so I take admission in government school. But I have a time.
Government school also purchase a pen and a book and a copy and dress and shoes.
Government teacher give free.
not only free education, not free
Free books,
and
dress,
okay?
shoes, food. Everything is free. Also, time is most important than money.
No, firstly priority money is more important. Okay.
Firstly, time is important because if you have a time, so you care your health, and if you care your health, so you find and you earn the money.
You don't have a money, so you care. Without money, how to care your health?
If you don't have a time, so how to care your health?
But firstly,
You tell
money
me.
is more important.
No, money is not important. You give my answer. If you don't have a time, so how to care your health?
Why the whole world is crazy about?
You don't ask me question, okay? I ask you question. You give my answer.
You ask.
I ask, but you don't listen. Why you don't listen?
I take 7.
I can't repeat.
Please,
You give answer.
please, you can
No, I
repeat.
don't repeat. I repeat 3. Okay, 3 bar. 3 time. But you don't listen. So what will I do? You give my answer.
Please, can you?
No, I can't
I
repeat.
don't talk to you. Okay? Any other?
Yes,
any
because you don't
people
able to talk to me. Because
Okay,
you don't able to talk to me, okay? Because you don't able to talk to me. Because you don't able to talk to me, okay? Because you don't listen question. Because you don't listen question. And if you don't have an answer, so you don't listen question, okay? Don't have a point. You don't have an answer, so you don't listen question.
I have a lots of money. I purchase.
You purchase me. You purchase me. This time you purchase me. How can you say that you purchase me?
I purchase you.
You purchase me.
Yes,
This time you purchase me.
I say I purchase.
This time you purchase me.
Yes.
Yes, I see. How to purchase me? This time you purchase me.
Yes, I purchase you,
Yes.
sister.
You give me money.
Why
You
this
give
time
me money.
You purchase me.
Firstly,
You purchase you.
listen,
okay?
sister. Firstly, you give me money, so I know you purchase me. Firstly, you give me money.
What is your price?
50 crore rupees.
How many zeros? How many zeros?
How many 50 crores? Okay.
Add zero. Add zero. I think you don't know, so you tell me. Yes, you don't know, so you tell me. Then he count the money. Yes, she don't know. She don't know.
You don't know 9 zeros. Yeah.
190. Okay. Yeah. 80. Okay, you don't know. You don't know. Okay, so you tell me. Otherwise, you don't count the rupees, so you tell me. Okay.
You say I have a 50 crores rupees, but I have a 100 crores rupees. Okay.
So you purchase me. Yes.
I purchase your team member.
Yes, you purchase me. So I said you purchase me. This time you give me money. You purchase me. I said. I also said.
Debate is finished, so I purchase you. Okay.
Why this time you purchase me? So I know you are rich. You have more money.
Present time.
This is not market, okay?
Yes. This is
How
not
many zero
market.
is 100 crore rupees?
No, 90. Okay.
190 not.
90. You. Yes, I know.
Yes, what I know.
You don't have a knowledge. Okay.
I have a lots of knowledge, but I think you give the knowledge. You go firstly school and you take the knowledge, then you stand sit here. Debate.
Only you have a time, so you have a time. You have a no money, so you don't have a knowledge. You don't.
I have a lots of money time, so I do study. Okay, in home.
Yes. Any other question?
Yes, I have a lots of question.
Okay.
Why?
Hello sister, how are you?
I am fine, and you?
I'm also all right. I have a question for you.
Yes.
According to me, time is the path to reach our destination. That means money. So what about you? What is the value of time according to you?
According to me, money is more important in our life.
In that time, I listen. Money important, but what is the value of time to earn money to achieve your destination? That means I means money. Everyone's dream. I have more earn money.
Yes.
So that's why I'm saying that our destination. So what the value of time in your life? Tell me. Because everyone knows what the value of money, so it is a very easy topic to express their point. But let me tell you what is the importance of time according to you in your life.
According to me, बहुत important, but first priority money. You understand?
But I think if time is the path to earn money, and without path you can't go there. Okay.
What is past? What is past is past.
What is done is done. So please tell me.
Hello, brother.
Yes.
What is your question?
Yes, I ask, what is the value of time according to you in your life? How to earn money without time?
Yes, a lots of sources earn money because I have no time, but I earn money.
But how it is possible without have time to earn money?
Yes, I give the room rent. Yes,
I think
I live in other city, and room rent is earn money.
I think money is lost today, but can be earned tomorrow. But time is lost once, is lost forever.
So what are you doing here? You go.
I have time, so I will spend my time in a right way, and I will spend my time to study.
To what are you here? You go you earn money. You have
No, I first priority of
Money.
time. So I take my time to do study, and then I earn money because it is
yes,
the part
one day
to
you earn money. You know very well. Money is very important. in
Yes,
our
money
life.
is very important. I know very well, but first priority of times, then you earn money. Without
You
time,
know very well. We cannot survive without money in the
yes,
country.
yes, I know very well. Without time, without money, we can't survive
Yes.
easily. But money helps us buy things, fulfill our basic needs, live comfortably. It is the value of money.
Yes.
But suppose that you do start a business. And that time, if you have money, and if you don't have time to how to grow your business without time,
I start business, so I have a time.
but you have no time to how to start business. Let me clear it.
What is your question?
If you don't have time, how to start your business, how to open your business? No, it is the value of time. So I ask.
No, nowadays everyone know money is very important in our life.
Yes, I know. I also know very well what is the value of time. So sorry, money. So that's why I am also asking you what is the value of
And
time according
if
to
I
you.
talk about, you take a money. This is purchase. Is this purchase only money? You take dress. It is only
Yes,
money.
it is the purchase of only money, with not a time. But how to earn money without you spend your time? If you have labor, something you go in a shop to do small business, small factory, you earn money. That time you also spend the time. So the honor to take you money.
Yes,
without
a lot of sources. You have no money. A lot of person have no money. Then he earn money.
how to spend time.
How to spend?
Yes, without every work you without spend your time is nothing.
No. A lot of person.
If you do study in that time, in your school, in your coaching, in your home, without you spend your time, the question is not solved easily. If you have try again and again, so that your question and your problem solve.
And you study.
Yes.
In the study need money.
In the study, I need money. Yes, I know very well. But that time you also spend your time to study.
Firstly, I take admission. I give money.
Yes,
I give other country. I give money.
Yes,
money is not important. Well, time is not important.
But
You are able to study here because of money.
because of money. But I also spend my time every day,
And
not a single day.
Lots of
Okay.
youth study in the other city. Why?
Why? Because they spend their time and also
And they have
spend
a lot
their
of
money.
They have a lots of money. Then he study in other city.
Yes, they have a lot of money, but they don't earn money. His parents earn money.
Why everyone want to become a job? Why?
Yes, everyone want to become a job, but firstly they spend their
Why
time.
everyone want to become a job? Government job. Everyone need a good essential job to get a job. In the future we are very doing.
Yes, in the future we can earn money easily and we can survive in our country.
Why
And we are, yes,
people why want to earn money?
because they
People
want to
know
live
very-
comfortably
people,
in our
people
country.
know very well money is not important now.
Yes, I also agree that money is also important, but without time, without you spend time, money is not.
Hello everyone, how are you? I am fine. And you? I am also fine. Firstly, I am Nikhil. I am talk about time. Time is most important our life, and time cannot purchased for every people. Time is most available. Thank you.
You say that time is very important in our life.
Because without time you don't Everything.
Okay. How can you say that without time can't everything? Without money not impossible your life, okay? Firstly, money is very important in our life.
Without time, you don't live, okay?
How can you say that I have a lot of money, I live, okay? Other country.
You don't have time, you don't go to other country, okay?
I have a lot of money, I go other country, okay? Without money is not important other country, okay? And impossible.
You have don't time how to go to other country.
I have a lot of money, I go other country.
No.
How can you say that no?
If you don't have time, how to earn money?
According to me, time is not important to me.
No.
Money is important in our life, and
You very lazy, okay?
how can you say that? Yes, I am very lazy, but I have a lots of knowledge. A lots of money.
Yeah. You have a lot of money. You are very lazy, okay?
How can you?
Yes.
Yes, I am arrogant.
You are Papa Pari.
I am not Papa ki pari. I am Papa ki serni. Okay? You don't know.
I don't know.
I have a lots of pistol.
I know.
Yes.
I have a lot of katta, okay?
I have a lot of katta, and I will shoot you. Okay? Just.
I will kill you, okay?
How can you say that?
I will slap you.
Please let me.
Please.
पैसे का महत्व सबको समझ में नहीं आता कि पैसे का महत्व सबको समझ में नहीं आता, शायद इसीलिए हर कोई अंबानी अंडानी नहीं बन पाता. First of all, thank you for giving me this wonderful chance to speak here in front of you. This is Aditi. Today I am in favor of money. Because money is help for study, for go other country and survive in our country. If you don't have money, how you do? Many people said time is important. If you don't have money, how you take knowledge, how you go other side. If you have money, people respect you. If you don't have money, people don't respect you. If you value money, money will value you. Thank you.
Be serious.
I want to ask you a question.
Ask.
If you don't have a time, so how to think about yourself?
If I have money, why I think about myself? I purchase anything.
You purchase yourself?
What are you saying?
You purchase yourself.
Why purchase myself? Why purchase?
So I ask you question. You give my answer.
Yes, you repeat your question.
Yes. If you don't have a time, so how to think about yourself? How to think about your health?
Yeah, good.
If I have money, I eat food, and I go.
If you have a money, so you
monthly
you
hospital, I check up my.
Yes. Listen, if you have money, so you eat only pizza, burger, chowmein, momos.
Because this is very tasty. Okay?
Yes, but
I think you should eat.
This is very dangerous.
Dangerous?
Our health, for our health, okay?
But
She has a lot of money, so she don't know.
I know very well, but
What no?
monthly weeks you can eat, but daily you can't eat. Okay.
I never eat. Okay.
What are you saying?
Yes.
Because you don't have money.
I have a lot of money, but I don't eat chowmein, burger, momos,
If
pizza.
you have
Okay.
money, why are you supporting time?
I
If
eat.
you have money, why are you
I
supporting
eat
time?
only dal chawal. Okay.
If you have money, why are you supporting time?
Because time is most important than money.
I also say money is most important than time. Because if you don't have money, how you survive?
If you don't have a
This
time, so how
country.
to survive in our country?
Time is
You don't know
important
value
as
of time.
secondary.
You don't know value of time.
I know value time, but
Yes, this
time is secondary, important, not firstly.
listen. This time you don't know value of time. When your exam is comes, so you know value of time. Okay.
Oh,
So you know value of 1 second, 1 minute.
I never said money is not important. I said money is important, but money is secondary important. Firstly,
Firstly, time is important. Yes, you agree my point. Firstly, time is important.
listen, sister, it's in my mouth.
Yes, I
Secondary
also slipped your mouth.
important is time. Okay.
Yes, truth is also slipped your mouth.
Why are you supporting time? Please explain me.
Because time is most important part of our life. If you don't have a time, so you don't live here.
If you don't have time, because this is a Kalyug era, and you don't survive.
You sit here, so your time is lost 1 second, 1 minute. Okay.
Oh, you
And
said I said
Time
that
is,
this is
time is never time is never stop for anyone and don't again for anyone. Never comes back for anyone.
If you have money, you can.
But if you have a lot of money, your money is lost, so you again earn the money. But your time is lost, so you can't earn the time.
If you have money, you can purchase anything and everything.
How?
Even time.
How to purchase?
How to purchase? You give money and you take
Yes,
anything.
you purchase life, you purchase time, you purchase kindness, you purchase love, you purchase how to
It is
talk
gifted by
other people.
nature. It is gifted by nature.
Listen, how to talk our senior.
You talk about love because this is a Kalyug here.
I don't talk about love, okay? I talk about only.
She is telling a lie.
Listen, firstly, you check the video. I don't talk about love. I only talk about how to talk our senior, how to talk our other people.
Oh, your mother and father teach you how to talk our senior. Okay.
Yes, my
This
mother
is-
and father also teach me.
Yes. Why are you saying
Because they have a time, so they teach me, but your father and mother don't have a
why
time.
are you speaking personal? Why are you speaking personal?
Firstly, you also go my personal.
I speak my personal, not your personal. Okay. Why are you speaking my personal?
Firstly, you personal my father and mother. Okay. Why you go my personal my father and mother? Why?
Why? That time you say you don't go my personal. That
But
time I
firstly,
say,
you go my personal. Then I go your personal. Okay.
so you should said you not go my personal. So I
should go your personal. If you go my personal, so I should go your personal.
You go. I
Yes.
don't care. You go. You
You
say.
speak. You speak. Why you shut up? Because you don't have a point.
I have point.
So you speak.
Firstly, you are shouting. Firstly,
I
you
also
cool.
shouting. I also shouting. What will you do?
I never do nothing because
You don't said. If you don't will anything, so you don't said.
Why?
I also shouting.
Speaking is my right. Okay.
So speaking is my rights. Okay. I also shouting. What will you do?
I am not dumb as you. Okay. Please silent.
But I think are you duffer? Okay.
Oh, are you duffer? Not me.
I am not duffer. Okay. This is a not point. You are question.
Please ask question.
Yes, I ask you question. You don't know value of time.
I know value of time
So why you support the money?
because money is important.
Why
Then
money is
then time.
Why money is important?
If you don't have money, people don't respect you. I think you
No.
see
People also respect you. People also love you. People also talk
having
to
money
you.
because ready to priority. People have money having to donate peoples to like Salman Khan. This is a celebrity, so you know her. They don't having time for you, but they have money donate for
Yes,
the people.
listen.
Okay.
If he don't have a time, so he don't make the movie.
I said
He have a time, so he make the movie.
firstly he take money after they make movie.
If he have money, if he have time, then he make money.
If you have money, you charity activity. If you have time, what you charity? You go outside and you said please take time, please take time, please take time.
A lot of people they have times. They are berojgar. What about dead people?
But some-
what about them?
Listen, sir,
they have
listen,
time,
sir,
but they are berojgar. What will they do?
Some people have a lot of money, but they don't know
If people have money,
manage of money.
they do anything. Okay, they
They
open
don't know
business.
where I
Yes.
spend money.
Yo, we can hire
If
assistant.
if
Yes.
they have a lot of money, so then his mind is blasted. They don't know where I spend our money.
Oh, we can hire okay assistant. Okay, we can open business. We can do anything.
But if
Even we
if
can
we-
purchase anything. Okay,
But if he don't have time,
Yeah,
so how
but-
to open the business?
In village side, people have times. They are winding here, there. They are.
Sir,
I
listen.
don't want to say that.
Sir,
Okay.
listen,
You are talking about
Firstly,
time.
listen,
Yes.
then you speak, sir.
Yes.
If he don't have a time, so how to start business? You tell me.
Please tell me. What are you talking about? No. Please tell me. What is time? We have sometimes.
Time
Okay.
is
We have.
everything.
No. Money is everything nowadays. Money.
What?
Our country is run because of money. You are sitting here because of money. Okay.
Listen, our
Yes.
country is running because of time. If any
Time. Oh, see.
all people is die.
We have time, okay? A lot of people have times, but we don't have money, okay? You don't have money, that's why you are sitting here. If you have time, you go anywhere.
I have a
Yes,
I have a time, okay?
please don't give mine.
You don't have a time, you don't have a money.
Oh.
What is not?
I have time only, yes, nowadays. Because I don't have money. If I have money, I will purchase your team member. I will hire you. I will hire you. Yes, because my team member has money, yes. You have money?
Yes, I have more money.
You wanna purchase Nikhil?
Yes, I want to purchase all team
I know you wanna purchase.
Yes, I want to purchase the tea hall team member.
Yeah.
All team members also said I purchase you, but they never purchase anyone.
Because
We can also purchase Yamraj, okay? Yamraj Bull. Yes! Yeah!
I don't need purchase in here, okay?
we don't need, listen, we don't need purchase because we are very useless, okay?
Yeah, they are very useless.
Useless.
Me and my team, what you said?
Because they are.
I not said.
I purchase.
Okay?
Because I see your all team member limit. That's why I am saying.
Yes,
Yeah.
so you purchase my team members, I said.
I don't said. I can said because I can said you are very
Purchase.
My
useless.
team members.
If we purchase, my money is lost, okay? Yeah!
Because you are very useless.
Team members, anyone can't purchase me and my team.
Because you are very useless. I don't need purchase you.
Yeah, we can, yes, we can. Please. Take this. Take this. Take, yes. Please, take. No. Yeah. Please, give
I
me.
have question. I ask. Yes. You said time is every minute is very important.
Yes.
I think you don't know time is gifted by nature.
Yes.
You know? Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So how to talk? You don't have time. You don't earn money. Time
I don't
is
say,
time
okay.
is gifted by nature.
I didn't say, okay?
You said.
I said
This
it
is
every
debate.
minute.
This is debate. I speak anything.
Yes, you speak.
I can.
Yes, you speak. I said every minute is very important.
Yeah.
Your accident, you late 1 minute, you will die and you.
I have doctor.
You are.
I have doctor. I am a student, but I have doctor.
Everyone's not available, your doctor.
Every minute's not
because-
available.
be-
Doctor, okay?
Because I have doctor. So 1 minute is 1 minute is not give my
No doctor
life.
not go to with you
1
any
minute
place,
not
okay?
give, no 1 minute not give life.
1 second give you
No,
life, okay?
I have money. I have more life.
Yeah,
I have money. I purchase time.
I will give money, Yamraj, yes.
Yes, I give money, Yamraj. Yes, sir. Yes, yeah.
Yes. Yes. You
I speak Sari.
Yes, you speak. I speak one side.
Yeah.
समय एक ऐसा चीज है कि समय तुम्हारे साथ नहीं चलेगा. समय एक ऐसा चीज है कि समय तुम्हारे साथ नहीं चलेगा. समय के साथ तुम्हें चलना पड़ेगा. जिंदगी में कुछ बनना है तो समय का उपयोग करना सीख लो.
But I don't need time. I don't need. Because time is gifted by nature. Yeah.
So your time is spent useless things.
Yes, your time you spend useless things.
No, I do hard work and earn money. I do hard work and earning money.
Yes, every person need time.
But this time I don't know. I don't do business because I go to school this time.
Yes.
And you said time is very important. What is time in here? What is time?
You know time?
I know time, but where is time?
Good evening, teachers and students. My name is Manvi Vishwakarma. I reading class 7th. I favor of time. I will speak on time. Time is very precious. We cannot buy it or stop it. Time and tied with for no need. So we our time for good work and study. Thank you for listening.
Why time is more important?
Once time is gone, it never comes back.
No, you have a money, you purchase anything, okay? But you have a time and you don't purchase anything and everything.
But without time you can't.
But is time without you can purchase?
No, you have a time but you don't purchase food and water. Firstly need money. After that need time.
But how to earn money?
But how to earn money?
I
Without
have a money. I earn money.
कैसे बोलेगा भैया?
I can purchase time.
Oh, you can purchase time.
I have a money. I have a more money. I can purchase time.
Where do you purchase time?
Where do you purchase time?
Please tell me.
Please tell me.
Money
Where?
Where purchase?
everywhere.
Please tell me.
Please tell me.
I also purchase.
I also purchase.
You also purchase time.
Yes.
I have a alerts of time. Then I open the business.
Give me time.
Give me time.
What? Give me time? What? भैया.
We have Zim Jim.
Hello everyone, my name is Rimjim. I am from Nazirpur. I reading class 7th. I am going to talk about money. Money is very important our life. We use money to buy things. People work to earn money. Money help us meet our need. We use money for food and clothes. Money we should also save some money. Thank you for listening. Because money is very important. Without money,
Why money is very important?
money is very important. Without money, you can't purchase anything and everything.
And you can't survive in country.
Why?
Time is very important in our life. You have time, you do anything. Okay.
No, I have money. I do anything. I purchase time. I purchase you. I purchase your team member.
Oh my God, you purchase me?
Yes, because present time I have no money, but my money at home. Okay, because there is very thief. Okay.
You don't have money.
Because I have a more money. Okay, I have a more field. You come my house. My house is very big. Okay.
Yes, I know your home is very chapara.
No, you don't know. You go my home. You go my home.
Yes.
You go my home.
I saw. Okay.
My home. You don't go personal. My okay.
You go. Okay. Firstly.
My home very big. Okay.
You look like more.
You look like my.
I very lazy. Okay.
No, I think you very.
You are very lazy.
You.
I don't talk to you. I don't have time. Okay?
I think you have no knowledge. You don't talk to
I
me.
have
okay?
knowledge,
So you
okay?
please speak me.
Yes.
You speak with me
I speak. You don't listen.
because you don't have world, okay, or don't have mind, okay. How to talk to me, okay.
How to talk to me?
I think you have no mind, okay.
I have mind. Okay. You know.
You have a half mind, okay. You have a no mind, okay. How talk to junior, okay. I don't talk to you. I don't have mind. You talk to junior.
I am your senior. Okay.
Yes, you my senior. I respect you. I am junior, but you don't respect me, okay.
Yes, I respect you. Otherwise, I will beat you. Okay.
Otherwise, I will kill you, okay. I have a more.
You can point, not to kill you, beat you.
Firstly, you said, okay. Please, other question.
You said. You said.
I think you have no question, okay.
I have question.
Please ask. Why ask Nandini? Please take mic, Nandini.
No.
Why speak?
You talk about if you don't have money, so you don't eat food, you don't drink water.
Yes.
But if you don't have time, so you don't sleep, you don't wake up, you don't eat food, you don't drink water.
I
you
don't
drink
need-
water with time, okay?
I don't need time, okay? I need money. I have a morphine. I purchase.
If you don't need time, so you die, okay?
You don't eat. You have a.
Because time never stop for anyone.
You have a-
rich
you
or
have a-
poor, okay?
you have a time.
You don't need,
Is
if
it
you
okay?
don't need time, so you die, okay?
You have a
Because
more,
everyone
you have
need
more
time.
You have a more time.
Yes, I
You
have
have
a
no
time.
money. You don't. You have a no money. Don't
I
purchase.
have a money, I have a time.
Money is need, okay?
Yes, I know.
Firstly,
Listen.
money is very important.
Both is important, but firstly, time is most important
No.
in our life. Time is part of our life.
No, man, time is
Without
very
time,
important.
you
okay?
don't survive in our
suppose that-
country.
Suppose that you student. You go hospital. Doctor said you please.
I think-
please. Time is very short. Please submit your fees. Okay?
Yes, but
Because us time money is very important.
Yes, this
You
time
don't
money is
important time.
important,
Okay?
but-
Because money is very important.
yes, but suddenly your accident, you don't have a time. You go hospital, you just die. So what will you do?
Because I have
will you do?
I have a money. I
What
go.
will you do and
I got
what will
Thar.
your
Okay?
money? Okay.
I got Thar. Okay?
Just your accident and just you die. So what will you do and what will your money?
I have many doctor, okay? I have many doctor. Doctor is my father doctor, my sister doctor, my chacha doctor, okay? My auntie doctor. I have money.
Your father is a doctor.
Yes.
But they don't also at home. Okay. They
Because my father don't at home, but
They
my
at hospital.
my mother at home, okay?
yes.
My mother is
Your mother is a not doctor. Your mother is a housewife.
my mother is housewife because my mother is doctor, okay?
Yes, your mother is housewife because doctor.
Yes,
Yes, you compare the housewife and doctor.
yes.
Yes, you don't know value of time.
Your father earn money.
Yes,
Your
my
father
father
earn
earn money.
Because money is very important.
But they have a
your
time,
father
so they earn money. Okay, he has a time, so he earn money. Without time, he don't earn money. He can't earn money.
Without money, don't purchase clothes and don't purchase food. Okay.
But if you don't
You
have a
can't.
time, so you can't go to shop.
I have a money.